Okay, the other skill we have to be able to do, or that we learned in class today, is basically the opposite. We are going backwards this time. We're determining the molar solubility when we're given a K. So we're going to look at problem 82 here, and we have PbI2. So remember, that's going to dissociate only slightly. Okay, very, very small amount is going to go to Pb2 plus and I1 minus. And we have two of those. And remember, that's because I is in column 17, so it makes 1 minuses. All of the halides make 1 minus. And Pb here is, like, because we have two i's, then it must be 2 plus. So we write our K equation. KSP equals Pb2 plus and I1 minus squared. Now, I was given the K, which in this problem 82, is 1.4 times 10 to the negative 8. Now, I need to figure out how much PbI2 can dissolve. Now, we can do this actually very easily, given that we know that the concentration of the PbI2 that dissolves has to be equal to the amount of Pb2 plus that dissolves. I know that because I have 1 Pb in the substance. So if I have 1 mole of this, I'm going to make 1 mole of that in a liter. Okay, if I have 2 moles, it would mean 2 moles of that. Okay, it's going to mean twice as much of the I2. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually use an X to represent the amount of Pb. Okay, we could say here that it also equals the concentration of the I2, the I1 minus, which is going to be 2x. Okay, remember that this is 2x because I have 2 i's here. This is just x because I just have 1 Pb. So we go over here, we get Pb is x, and I is x is 2x, and we have to square that whole thing. So then when we distribute the square, basically we get 4x squared times x, which is 4x cubed, is equal to 1.4 times 10 to the negative 8. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X cubed equals, let me get these numbers here. Oh, well, my book just goes right ahead and takes the cubed root here. Now, you might be wondering how to put this cubed root in your calculator. You can go to math, and there's a way to do, you would put a number, and then it has x and a root sign, so the number would be 3, and then the x root of that. Or you can put it in your calculator, raise it to the 1/3 power. So when we do this, we find that x is equal to, problem number 82, we find x is equal to 2.3 times 10 to the negative 6. Okay, so this is the second skill that you needed to be able to do after class today. Okay, please email me if you have questions or come see me. Thank you.